How to log into my CRA account online. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to log into your CRA account online, whether you need to check your tax returns, update your personal information, or access your benefits. Your CRA account has it all. I'm going to make sure the login process is as easy as possible for you, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official CRA website by typing www.canada.ca/en/revenue agency. Once you're on the CRA homepage, look for the sign in button in the top right corner of the page. Now scroll down until
Now
you
you'll be
find
presented with simply choose whichever you prefer, like CRA login, or you can simply choose with sign in partner like your bank. Now let's tap on CRA user ID and password. Now if you don't have a CRA account yet, you'll need to register for it first. Now, what you need to do is simply enter your user ID and your password of your account. Once you make sure and double check your password before clicking on sign in. If you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot your password, and after you've done that, simply click on sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your CRA account dashboard where you can check your tax info, benefits, and much more.